So on the 19th of July I was seeing various movements in and around the Cumbernauld area. However, my first catch today was 1 hour 55, the 1248 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh with 385121 and 385113. Then this is 1A63, the 1254 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Aberdeen with 43026 and 43146. Then this is 2N58, the 1307 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Alloa with 385045. Then this is 1 Quebec 25, the 1312 Coast Rail Freight service to Newcastle from Heaton TNR SMD with 43290 and 43299. Then this is 3Z15, the 1328 DB cargo service to Dalwhinnie from Slateford Depot with DR 98911. Then this is OZ60, the 1344 West Coast Railway service to Bowness Junction Exchange SDG from Carnforth Steamtown with 47813. And then we go to Cattleskerry, where we would see 1 hour 72, the 1430 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street with 385117 and 104. And then this would be the return of 1 Quebec 25. Now the 1435 Coast Rail Freight service to Newcastle from Heaton TNR SMD with 43290 Leighton and 299 Trailing.